Valentine's Day is February 14th, and of course, you would like to prepare something sweet for that special person. We have the perfect gift here at A Side Guy Cooks with Red Velvet Shortbread Cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Time for the wet ingredients. Let's build the cookies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius. Set your timer for 15 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Food historians believe that red velvet cookies originated during the 1980s. Using the same flavor and color profiles as red velvet cakes, red velvet cookies' popularity really soared during the 1990s and the 2000s. They look great right out of the oven. Feel free to use your favorite icing to decorate your cookies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's try one. While these cookies have a delicate sweet flavor and the right amount of crunch, their rich, slightly tangy taste is balanced by a hint of vanilla, and they feature the right amount of white chocolate, adding a touch of charm and elegance. These cookies make the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a sweet and perfect Valentine's Day gift. Stay with us. Watch the next video.